The five pillars are the core beliefs and practices of Islam. The five pillars are: number 1, profession of faith, means Shahada, the belief that there is no God but Allah and Muhammad is the messenger of God, is central to Islam. This phrase, written in Arabic, is often prominently featured in architecture and a range of objects, including the Quran, Islam's holy book of divine revelations. One becomes a Muslim by reciting this phrase with conviction. Number 2, prayer, Salah. Muslims pray facing Makkah 5 times a day, at dawn, noon, mid-afternoon, sunset and after dark. Prayer includes a recitation of the opening chapter of the Quran and is sometimes performed on a small rug or mat. Muslims can pray individually at any location or together in a mosque where a leader in prayer guides the congregation. Men gather in the mosque for the noonday prayer on Friday. Women are welcome but not obliged to participate. After the prayer, a sermon focuses on a passage from the Quran, followed by prayers by the Imam and a discussion of a particular religious topics. Number 3, alms, means zakat. In accordance with Islamic law, Muslims donate a fixed portion of their income to community members in need. Many rulers and wealthy Muslims build mosques, drinking fountains, hospitals, schools and other institutions, both as a religious duty and to secure the blessings associated with charity. Number 4, fasting. During the daylight hours of Ramadan, the 9th month of the Islamic calendar, all healthy adult Muslims are required to abstain from food and drink. Through this temporary deprivation, they renew their awareness of and gratitude for everything God has provided in their lives, including the Quran, which was first revealed during this month. During Ramadan, they share the hunger and thirst of the needy as a reminder of the religious duty to help those less fortunate. Number 5, pilgrimage, means Hajj. Every Muslim whose health and finances permit it must make at least one visit to the holy city of Mecca. In present-day Saudi Arabia, the Kaaba, a cubical structure covered in black embroidered hangings, is at the center of the Haram Mosque in Mecca. Muslims believe that it is the house Abraham built for God and face in its direction when they pray. Since the time of the Prophet Muhammad, believers from all over the world have gathered around the Kaaba in Mecca on the 8th and 12th days of the final month of the Islamic calendar. These are the 5 pillars of Islam.